बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। हमारा आज का लेक्चर रेनन मार्टिन हाई स्कूल इंग्लिश ग्रामर एंड कंपोजिशन से है। दिस इज़ आवर लेक्चर 3। दिस इज़ फॉर क्लास 8 and 9th. Page numbers are page 39 and 40 of Renan Martin. Last time we have discussed part of speech, noun and its kinds, and all the definitions starting from noun to interjection. I will give you some review of the last lecture. First of all, last lecture was about noun and kinds of pronoun. All naming words, name of person, place, thing, animal, or name of idea is noun. There are 5 kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and concrete noun. So that's all about the last lecture. Today we have to start pronoun. What is pronoun? If I'm saying Ali is writing a letter, Ali is writing about 500 rupees note, he's writing an autobiography. So in first 2 sentences I used Ali, and in third sentence I used he instead of Ali. So the purpose of pronoun is to stop repetition of naming words. That's how pronoun is being used. A word that is used in place of noun is called pronoun. Again, listen. A word that is used instead of noun in place of noun as a replacement of noun is called pronoun, like noun. So it is used, again, purpose, it is used in order to stop naming words, or it is used to stop repetition of naming words. There are some nominatives pronoun. It means using in place of noun: he, she, it, you, I, they, we. So, students, there are 7 kinds of pronoun. There are 7 kinds of pronoun. Number 1, personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun. They both are linked. Then indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, interrogative pronoun. We have to add more one kind in it. It will be like 8. So there are total 8 kinds of pronoun. So let's start from personal pronoun. What are personal pronoun? The words using in place of nouns, or particular words which use in place of naming word, like Ali, Salma, he and she, like I, we, you, they. These are personal pronoun. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Personal pronouns are divided into 3 persons: first person, second person, and third person. First of all, you have to know the sense. What is first person, second, and third person? For example, I'm standing here, I'm talking to Ali. I and the person standing in front of me is like you. I'm talking to you, so I and you are first and second person which are present. And what about, we are talking about Ali or him. So Ali is third person, he is not present here. So first and second persons are present, and third person is not present. So this is the sense. So we have divided first, second, third person into singular and plural, and further we divided them into NPA. N stands for nominative, P for possessive, and A for accusative. What is nominative? In nominative category, we put first, second, third person like words using in place of nouns, and possessive, so specific words from first, second, third person for possession, for ownership. And accusative is like object. In Urdu, we can say that mafool. Yes. So let's start. First person, first of all, we have to discuss I family. In I family, singular, I, my, mine, and me. I like, I'm sitting here, I'm calling you, and what about my and mine? This book is mine, this is my book, the book is written by me. So this is the use like I family words. Then first person, singular. We, are, ours, us. We are playing cricket. These balls are our. This belongs to ours. Yes, and the cup of tea is taken by us, or the cups of tea are taken by us. So this is use of like we family. Then second person singular nominative, you, your, yours, and you. So this family like second person, here we are describing it for singular. You are calling me. Then this is your problem. These problems belongs to you. Again, these problems are yours. So this is the use of you family. Same with plural. In plural category, you will see that you, your, yours, and you. Again, it will come. Then third person singular. For nominative, first we discuss he family. He, his, him. He is for singular. His is for he singular nominative. His for possessive, and him for as a object or indirect object. So he's my friend. This is his car. Letter is written by him. Again singular. Third person, she family. She, her, hers, and her. She is calling me. Call is done by her. These calls are belong to hers. Yes, the letter is written by her. Again, it family. It family is for neuter gender, for non-living things, especially like it's a book, it is a book. Many lessons are mentioned in it. Its pages are not very fine. So this is the use of it family, which is used for neuter gender. Then plural third person, they family. They are inviting us. Invitation is given by them. These are their invitations. These invitations are belongs to them. These cards are theirs. This is the use of they family. So again, what you have to do in it, you have to make an assignment. You have to write first, second, third person and make sentences of it. Let's start from the book Renan Martin. This is page number 39. Page number 39. So let's start from personal pronoun. We may say Ali is absent. Again, I will repeat it. We will not use Indian names. Ali is absent because Ali is ill. But it is better to avoid the repetition of noun Ali and say Ali is absent because he is ill. So this is the use of pronoun. A word that is thus used instead of noun is called pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of noun. Read the following sentences. I'm young, you are young, he is young, we are young, they are young. You can use the use of pronoun like this. I, we, you, he, she, it, they are called. These are personal pronouns. because they stand for three persons: first person, second person, third person. What is first person? The person speaking. Second person, the person spoken to, and the third person, the person spoken of. Clear? The sense which I have cleared earlier. The pronoun I and we, which denote to person or person speaking, are said to be personal pronoun of the first person. The pronoun you, which denotes to person or persons spoken to. Yes, you are talking to the person. Is said to be personal pronoun of the second person. You is used both in the singular and plural as we have discussed in it, like second person. Clear? And then the pronouns he, she, and they, which denote to person or persons spoken of, are said to be personal pronoun of the third person. Okay. Then forms of pronouns. As I have made the chart on the board, you will notice that singular, plural, nominative, possessive, accusative, first person, and then second person. You again for singular and plural, nominative, possessive, and accusative. Then third person, dominative, possessive, and accusative. Masculine, feminine, neuter gender, and all genders. So, this is about personal pronoun.